Today, we're going to answer a subscriber's question about how to believe that they can actually manifest. So let's talk about that. Amanda here from createyourfuture.co. So today I'm answering a subscriber's question about how to believe that she can manifest. So if you haven't already subscribed, definitely subscribe, hit the bell icon below, because I do put out new videos every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. Each one of them designed to help you create something wonderful in your life. Okay, so also too, if you're interested in coaching, you know, in the bottom, in the description there. Anyways, okay, so the question is, no matter what I do, I can't seem to believe I can manifest. I don't know what to do. Okay, first of all is you're always doing it. You're constantly manifesting. Every second of the day, you're manifesting. How? Your thoughts. Every thought you have creates. Your thoughts create. Okay, so everything in your reality is a direct result of the thoughts that we're holding in here. So like Neville says, you know, to change your outer world, you must change your inner world first. Okay, so you're already creating, okay, whether you know it or not, believe it or not. You can actually manifest and create some wonderful things in your life without even knowing the law of attraction, because if you just think positive about things, you're going to actually end up creating those positive things. Okay, so if you do want to build your belief in creating, you want to manifest and start creating things that have zero resistance to you, okay? So if we're going right away to get past all the money blocks and become a millionaire, that might be a little bit harder than, say, manifesting a quarter on the ground, a cup of coffee, doors being open for you, people saying you're amazing, you know, things like that. So you want to start manifesting things that are small, that really don't mean too much, but they're specific enough that you know that they are something that you've manifested. Okay. So, you know, that's how you build your belief in it. And then once you've got your belief in it, when you are looking at changing your reality and pushing through resistance, resistance is just contrary thoughts to what you want. And if you've held those contrary thoughts for quite some time, you have to persistently assume in what you want your new reality to be, okay? And I'm not talking just like one or two intentions here and there. You really have to persistently assume and push through. And even though your reality is not showing what you want to show up, you still want to keep assuming and keep persisting in your intentions, because I mean, you know, if it was just one or two intentions here and there, we'd all be billionaires with jumbo jets and whatever else we would like to create. So yeah, so that is basically the answer to that question. Okay, so whether you believe it or not, you can manifest. You're always doing it. Okay, so you've been constantly doing it, right? You ask me, Amanda, what did you create this week? And I'll tell you absolutely everything, even things I don't like, I've created them. Okay, so you know, you're always creating, you're always manifesting. And if you really want proof of that, then go ahead and create a small list to get the evidence. Create a small list of things that are not a big deal, but they're specific enough that they are, you know, you'll notice them when they happen. And then check that list through and say, yep, that person said I was beautiful. Yep, that person called me gorgeous. And yep, that door opened for me, found a quarter, right? You know. So yeah, that's my video for today. And that was a subscriber's question. Thank you guys so much for liking, commenting, subscribing, and sharing. You guys are all absolutely amazing. And of course, we can't have a video without Jerry showing up. So we'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye-bye.